What's up guys, it's your boy Elite Young and I'm gonna be another unboxing from JD. Mama just came with the box. Got JD things. Dana, I can't show you that. I'm sorry guys. I just need to fix that camera quick. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, here's the. Wait, can't see me, man. Alright, there we go. Just now, so here's the box, JD. Gotta get out the box. See what's in it. 1, 2, please go. Hey, I got the Superstars. Wow, these are mad. So I got Superstars. Wow, that's actually decent. Anyway, yep, Superstars again. Thank you, Mom. Yeah. Okay. Alright, coming. Mama needs to get. I need to help my mom do the shopping. Alright guys, I'm back, and today we're gonna be doing a food taste as well. So here's the shoe now, the food taste. The Oreos limited edition. These are the purple strawberry ones. Sorry if you can't see, but they're like strawberry purple ones, so we're gonna try them. The purple tastes like yogurt. After you are back, I just ate them. They are really nice. Yeah, really nice. Anyway, like, subscribe and peace.